Shika vizuri mzee. Shika vizuri. Okay. That's enough. Now, this picture was on the 3rd of June, 1963. This is when Mzee Kenyatta, Mwalimu Nyerere, and Obote, and others met in Nairobi and declared that they would form the Federation of East Africa that year, 1963. But after a little while, some of them started developing cold feet. That's why in 1964, Mwalimu Nyerere and Karume went ahead and formed Tanzania from Tanganyika and from Zanzibar. So, although you said you are not political, you are coming to wrestle and so on, for me, I think you cannot wrestle where there is no peace and where there is no prosperity. So I have brought, because you said there are different chapters of the rules, I have already given the presidents this. I have already given to them. So I don't want to disturb them with more pictures. But so I give you more copies, 5 of them, because you say you have got many constituencies, South Sudan. They give them to the chief, or Orengo can keep them for them. Give them to him. Asante. Now, finally, we are supporting the candidature of Raila for the chairmanship of the African Union. But the real power he will help us to do some mobilization and some, we call it what? Brainstorming, but the real power is with us here. We who are in charge of these states. We are the ones who can say we move, and we move. For him, he can talk. He's like a preacher. He's like John the Baptist. You repent, the kingdom of heaven is